Hello, hello, and happy Tuesday, everyone. AP here, everyone's favorite cichlid lover out in the world of Instagram and YouTube. So today, I am unboxing. That's right. West Coast Cichlid Supply. Once again, I am blown away with my fish. Completely happy with the packaging. Everyone is alive and doing well thus far. So everybody's kind of soaking in right now, and soon I will post some videos of my fantastic fish. You all stay tuned. Aren't they just beautiful? So these little guys, these little pythons will hang out with the electric blue in my guppy tank for the next few weeks until they get a little bit bigger to go into one of my other larger community tanks. I don't know what it is. It's something about the guppies that make these fish happy and healthy. They just thrive after hanging out with the guppies for a few weeks. So weird. And last but not least, my new little Z-Rock. So that's it. I hope you enjoyed my video of unboxing my beautiful fish from West Coast Cichlid Supply. Once again, sir, you outdid yourself. Completely happy, and I will be ordering again shortly. You all enjoy your Tuesday. Make it a good one. Bye.